Good morning, everyone. I hope you're having an awesome day so far. This is Catherine Cowan. If you're receiving this email, then you're probably my new personally sponsored coach, and I just want to take a second and welcome you to the coach family. The Freedom Collective is an amazing community full of incredible people who are just working to create a better life and working to help other people with their health and fitness, working to help other people, you know, experience growth in their own lives, both financially through the business and through fitness. So this is a super fulfilling job, and I can't wait to share more with you. So first and foremost, I just want to introduce you to the team pages that you're going to be added to over the next couple of days. First of all, I want to show you our coach family page. There we go. Okay, this page is called the Freedom Collective Coach Family. This is my personally sponsored coaches, your personally sponsored coaches, and down the line. Anyone you sign up as a coach, you can add to this group. There are lots of resources in here, lots of trainings, and then here, every Monday, I give opportunity for my personally sponsored coaches to schedule a one-on-one call with me, like a business mentorship call. So make sure you keep your eyes peeled for those. We also have team calls just for us and our downline. Sometimes we'll have guest speakers. A lot of the time it's me. Sometimes we'll do live power hours, which is like an hour to just work our business. And those events will be posted in this group. I also have just lots and lots of resources in here. There's, some personal development stuff. There's some stuff about visual marketing. There's, goal check-ins, all kinds of different stuff in here. And I just want to draw your attention to this post right here. If you're a new coach, I will likely tag you in this. So keep your eyes peeled for that. Okay, so that is our Freedom Collective Coach family. The next most important group that you'll be added to is our challenge group. Right now, it's called New Year's Revolution with the Freedom Fit Fam. It will always be with the Freedom Fit Fam. That's how you know that it's the challenge group. And this group is for fitness. This is not a coaching group. There are coaches in here, but this is our fitness group. This is where we go to, you'll see we rate our day at the end of every day. There are people who share their meals, workout accountability. There's a daily post in here to check in. That's kind of how I hold everyone accountable, with a daily post. People share their Shakeology selfies in here. If you're a coach, definitely share your Shakeology and Recover selfies. This is Elizabeth. She's one of the coaches on our team, and she's awesome. And if you see a Zoom link like this means that somebody wants to work out over Zoom. We do lots of awesome stuff in here. This group is amazing. What you should not post in this group is questions about the business. If you have a post that you want to share with us to ask what we think about it, post it in the Freedom Collective Coach family. This group is only for challenger stuff. So, this is our customers, not coaches. So that is the next group. Okay, just a couple more groups. So here is the successful 7-day successful business quick start with the Freedom Collective. There's a link to this group in your welcome email. This is where you start your business, and you can see here's day 3. This was posted in here this morning because it's Wednesday, so that's day 3. But you can just scroll back and find day 1. And the idea is that you would read this on day 1 and follow the action item, follow the steps, complete the assignment. And then on day 2, scroll up and find day 2. And if you can't find it, then if you just type it in, like say you're looking for day 5, if you use this little search function, day 5, check it out. Here we go. And okay, here we go. So there's day 5. And there are some really important links in this post. So just check out day 1 through day 5. There are a couple of other posts in here that are helpful. This is a quick aside about network marketing that you can take a look at. But this group is designed to be completed within 7 days. I think there are 5 assignments. And so if you complete this within 7 days, you're in good shape. And then once you finish the 7-day Business Quick Start, I will add you to the interactive new coach training, okay? And this one, it's the same kind of thing. You just scroll back to day 1 and complete each day, and there are 20 days, okay? And then the next thing that you'll probably be added to, unless I change this soon, which I really might change this soon. Let's see, where is it? I'm going to be adding you to the Freedom Collective Coaches with Goals thread. This thread is just for chatting. This is for, accountability. We just kind of chat. We are friends in here. I give, business tips. This is where I'll post like the Zoom link if we have a call coming up. This is for coaches to just ask questions and hang out together and get to know. Share resources. You can see people are teaching each other how to use Google Forms right here. And then finally, there are 2 more groups that you need to just keep your eyes peeled for. The next one is the Upgraded Alliance. This group is my upline, Nicolette Anderson. This is my upline's team page. There's lots and lots of helpful stuff in here. I'm not really going to show you much, but if you go to the files, photos, all of that, there's lots and lots of resources in here. We also do live power hours. You can see this morning Nicolette did a power hour. Yesterday, let's see if I can scroll back and find it. Yesterday, I did a live power hour. I do a live power hour at 9:30 a.m. every Tuesday. Okay, so, and if you have questions, this is a really good place to, like, if you are talking to somebody who has, like, a gluten sensitivity and they're curious about Shakeology, you can literally just click this search bar, gluten Shakeology, and all kinds of stuff will pop up. So this is a really, really good resource for everyone. And then similarly, the Dynasty United Coach Family is an awesome resource. This is our Superstar Diamond upline, Brittany Leggett. This is her team page. And this group is gigantic. There are thousands of coaches in here. This is a great place to just seek out information. There's a team call in this page every Thursday evening at 9:52 p.m. Eastern Time, or 8:52 Eastern Time. And there you can see there's just lots and lots and lots of stuff in here. So feel free to check this group out. But the most important groups, again, are the Freedom Collective Coach Family, this one, and the 7-day Successful Business Quick Start for you right now. And then the challenge group, the New Year's Revolution with the Freedom Fit Fam, or it might be called something different if you sign up later. This is where we do all the fitness stuff. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please always feel free to use Facebook Messenger or text me, get in touch with me however you want. And definitely use the the Freedom Collective Coaches with Goals chat thread to ask questions, because what's really cool is that if you ask a question in here, chances are if I'm not available to answer your question, somebody else will. I also want to encourage you to utilize Google. Utilize teambeachbody.com's FAQ. There's tons and tons of stuff in there that will be helpful to you. Our job as coaches is to become self-sufficient as quickly as we can. The sooner you can figure out how to answer your own questions, the sooner you will be able to answer your coach's questions and your downline's questions. And I'm always happy to answer questions. I just don't want you to have to wait on me. And if you ask questions in this thread here, it gives everybody the opportunity to learn. So I think that that's really cool. All right, I'm going to go ahead and hop off. Oh, and by the way, if someone in the Freedom Collective Coaches with Goals thread shouts unicorn, you can see, let's see the last time someone did it. It was last night. If somebody posts the unicorn emoji or says unicorn, then that means that they are asking us. So here we go, unicorn, the transformation post. This means that she just posted something on her social media that she would like for us to go like and comment on. So I'm just going to click on her picture. It's going to take me to her profile. And I'm going to comment and like on her transformation post. This is because the more quick engagement you get on a post, the more Facebook will push it out to more people to see it. So you can see she posted this 14 hours ago. She has 38 comments and all kinds, or 38 likes and all kinds of comments. And the reason for that is because she got quick engagement on it. People commented on it right away. And that's super important. So if somebody shouts unicorn, make sure that you come over and you press love. Don't use the like because like gets less affinity. So use love, haha, one of these ones. And then drop a quick comment. And that will, if the cool thing is if you do this for other people, then they'll do it for you. And we can all help each other to boost engagement. All right, I'm going to hop off. I hope this was helpful, and I will talk to all of you soon. Have a happy day.